let's also speak to some other hockey fans who've been here all the way. As I've been telling you, that people have come here from all over the world, and I have a young fan who's come here all the way from Dubai. Tell us your first reaction of having seen India lift this, bronze medal, claim this bronze medal, in fact, here in Paris.
So it was really exciting. I love hockey. It's actually my first time watching hockey in real life. And it was so exciting, like all the plays. I think we did a really good job today. We didn't have to rely too much on our goalkeeper this time, but we played a good all.
Right. Give us your reactions to having seen India defend the title here.
So yeah, technically we defended it, right?
Yeah.
I think it was a brilliant game. It was quite hot today, and the pace in the beginning was a bit slow. But as he said, Shritesh wasn't used much. That's our luck. And kudos to, I think, Harman, who scored, right? So he's the top scorer for the tournament. And we did a fabulous job. It was a good match, exciting. The last 2 minutes, penalty corner after another. It was really, really, it was interesting.
And we saw waves and waves of Spanish attack towards the end. The last 3 minutes, talk to us a little bit about that. Was your heart in your mouth?
I think, yeah, it was definitely, my heart was in my mouth, and it was my father's dream to watch a Olympics game. So
yeah.
I really wanted to bring him here, and the last minutes were actually like so nail biting that we were almost there, and then the last second we were able to make it. So really happy about it. Unfortunately, we couldn't make the gold medal match, but we still have a bronze. So
but you're happy to have the bronze.
Super happy.
Very, very happy.
Sir, you have seen years and years of hockey. Tell us a little bit about your thoughts on this team that has now defended its bronze medal.
My past when we used to India always winning one gold, and that was hockey. But suddenly after Estotov came in, and we didn't have facilities that we had. So ultimately, it has taken us a lot of time. But ultimately, we have come. I think this team is capable of winning gold. But unfortunately, we made, I think, a couple of mistakes in Germany's match with Germany.
Right.
So that costed us that match. But we are really, really happy.
I think
And there is always a next Olympics. So.
there are 3 goals that are certain, right? So you have cricket next time. You have hockey as a gold, and javelins always has, right? So we should have 3 goals at.
Well, they're talking about LA 28, Los Angeles. That's where the next Olympics go to. And the fans are hopeful that at least 3 golds for India are secured next time. One is from javelin, the second one from hockey, and the third one, of course, from cricket, because cricket makes its debut
And
as
And badminton as well. You shouldn't miss
well,
badminton.
we have been very, very hopeful right now. But you never know, and this is the 4th medal for us in the Olympic Games. But it's been really sad the way we've been missing medals. Also, we've missed 6 medals, 6 4th place finishes, and then Vinesh Fogart not managing to win a medal. A word on that, it's not just about getting to the podium, but the number of medals that we have missed also in the games.
That is true.
It is heartbreaking, but the fact is, to be number 4 also is a good thing. People may not like it, but there's a lot of effort that goes. Each player makes a lot. And number 4 is, guys, it's good enough. Let's be happy with it.
Yeah.
A few more generations. See, sports is something that doesn't come naturally to Indians. So I somehow feel that a few more generations should.
Yes, 117 here in the Paris Olympic Games. They've all fought very hard to be in Paris, and now they are trying for a podium finish. The last few events left for us here in Paris Olympic Games tonight, of course, is Neeraj Chopra. We will have to see whether he ends up on the podium with a gold or not. But at the moment, the news that we are giving you from the hockey stadium in Paris is that India has successfully defended its bronze that they won at the Tokyo Games.